Louis Armstrong, who signed his letters "Red Beans and Ricely Yours," loved red beans. And in the archives, there is a recipe entitled Pop's Favorite Dish. It is Creole red beans and rice. 1 pound kidney beans. Wash beans thoroughly. 6 small ham hocks, 1 small can tomato sauce, 2 onions diced, 1/4 green bell pepper, 1 clove garlic chopped, salt to taste. Let come to a boil over full flame in covered pot. Turn flame down and let cook 3 hours. Serve either over rice or beside rice as preferred.